When luxury is combined with style, comfort, and easy maneuverability, you have the Hymer ML-T 580. In today's video, we'll be touring the $149,675 luxurious campervan. You should know that everything about this campervan is awesome, from the exterior to the top quality interior. What, however, sets this campervan apart from the other luxurious campervans is the full bathroom that comes with it. Let's step into the luxurious Hymer ML-T 580.
Motorhome luxury.
If you are familiar with the name Hymer, you'll know that it means nothing but high quality. And with Hymer ML-T 580, you cannot just get it wrong. Starting off with the exterior. The chassis this beautiful campervan is built on is the Mercedes-Benz 414 CDI, which is both stylish and user-friendly, making it ideal for those who want a beautiful campervan that is also efficient. The Hymer Motorhome has an operational weight between 7,700 and 9,000 pounds. Its length ranges from 22 to 23 feet, depending on the specific design. The width of the motorhome is 7.3 feet, and the height is 9.5 feet. This build enables efficient navigation through congested places, yet at the same time affords adequate space for use. It has space for 2 to 3 people. We suggest it is ideal for 2, like a couple or a small family. The first thing you'll see when you look at the campervan from the front view is how aggressive it looks. Just like many other Mercedes products, and in comparison to other motorhomes. It looks more rugged because of the tires that make the campervan look high off. Normally, the Hymer ML-T 580 offers all-season tires that provide the vehicle's performance, durability, and comfort features on highways and light off-road conditions. These tires are chosen for their load-bearing capacity and ability to perform well in different weather conditions. But what really makes this campervan rugged is the engine. The Hymer ML-T 580 is equipped with a Mercedes-Benz 2.2-liter engine and gives 143 horsepower. What's fun with the exterior is the coloring that you can choose from. The standard coloring for the exterior, for both the cab and the body itself, is a pristine white that fulfills the basic standard of any traditional and timeless van. However, if you wanted something a little bolder, perhaps something more loud, there are several shades of cab color to choose from. I mean, you can imagine arriving at anthracite, iridium silver, obsidian black, or tenorite gray. It gives the camper some character and elegance. Now leaving the front view of the passenger side on the exterior, the first thing that'll catch your attention is the plug-in point on the side of the campervan. This plug-in point is designed to connect the campervan to an external power supply and charge batteries in the campervan, in addition to providing power to lighting, heating, and air conditioning systems in the campervan. It also has separate fused circuit breakers for high-demand appliances like microwaves or hair dryers when you're parked at a campsite or RV park. Another thing that'll catch your attention and assure you of your money's worth are the windows. These are designed to let in abundant natural light, making the interior feel bright and airy. You get to enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding nature, which definitely will make your travel experience 10 times better. Where the real deal is on the exterior? It is at the back of the campervan. At the back is where we have the garage and the campervan's self-sufficient package. Going to the back of the campervan, you'll see big garage doors on both ends of the Hymer ML-T 580. The doors are 39 by 47 inches, and this helps with providing easy access to a storage area that is so big you don't have to stuff things in the living space in the interior of the campervan. The garage is not only big, it also can carry heavy things. The standard loading capacity of this garage is 770 pounds, But it doesn't stop there. You can actually upgrade to a capacity of 990 pounds, which will give you more room for heavier equipment like bikes or camping gear. And aside from the massive garage that'll really knock you off, there's also the reversing camera. This camera helps with maneuvering, especially when the campervan is in tight spots. But it doesn't stop there. The camera also has night vision, adjustable viewing angles, wide viewing angles, and the infotainment center. If we then go to the driver's side, we have the optional self-sufficiency package. It includes a second and third living area battery, an inverter, and extra sockets to ensure you're powered up no matter where you are. If you want to take it a step further, you can choose the Hymer Smart Battery System, which provides 2 additional 135 lithium batteries, managed by an efficient energy system for even more independence on the road. The batteries are conveniently stored in an external compartment for easy access. Need to swap out gas bottles? No problem. The exterior door or flap gives you easy access. This campervan also uses the toilet cassette system. Are you a fan of that? Or would you prefer a tank that stores the black water? Let us know in the comments. But that's about enough on the exterior. Let's look into how good the interior of this campervan really is. The first thing you'll see when you enter the exquisite living room. The living area has been intended to be comfortable, practical, and beautiful at the same time. No matter if you are just taking a rest after a tiring day of travel or having guests over, this space is designed to be as comfortable as possible. The focus of the living area is the elliptic armchair with a coffee table and 2 soft sofas looking like an L. It is capable of housing up to 5 people. The seating area on the below picture is as shown. The Noche Cognac furniture finish and Cristallo upholstery material brings warmth to the environment. For those who have alternative plans as to the look of the hatches and the furniture inside the motorhome, there is the Trentino pear wood finish with cream high gloss hatches, as well as the Santorin fabric set. The seating is not only comfortable, but also flexible. It also has a rotating table that can turn 360 degrees lengthwise and from side to side for using as dining, a workspace, or a social area. It is also very important to note a very cheeky feature that makes living in the campervan less stressful, and that is the conversion of the living room to a single bed. The interior comforts of the Hymer ML-T 580 are versatile in the living area that can be turned into one large bed. You can easily do this through changing the configuration of the furniture, or by having a pull-out bed which pulls out to accommodate a single bed. This added feature is useful when you expect more people, or when you need another sleeping solution on the go. Lighting can be considered an important factor in improving living space. The standard Hymer panoramic roof hatch with LED lighting provides natural light during the day and sufficient light at night. In addition, the optional manually sliding panoramic roof above the cabin lets even more light into the living area, increasing the amount of natural light in the room. Mounted above the seats in the driver's cabin are gooseneck lamps that focus rays of light perfect for reading or for a touch of ambience. For entertainment, the living room is equipped with the built-in multifunctional LED flat-screen TV, on which you can watch movies and easily play games. Storage facilities in the living room are both voluminous, and they are also designed in a way that is efficient. There is an extensive storage space for overhead above the table. There is also a storage space, a shelf at the top of the cab, and running across the full width of the vehicle. To improve the level of privacy and comfort, the living room is fitted with high-quality pleated fabric curtain, which can be pulled all across the cab, so you can have a completely private and dark space at will. In general, the living room of the Hymer ML-T 580 is a cozy space dedicated for comfort, practical use, and stylish design. Therefore, the area where people can truly relax while traveling. Hymer ML-T 580 has gone out of its way to provide the most comfortable experience. The breakout bathroom is a key piece of space furniture that is designed to be both spacious and comfortable. It has a clear, wide, and enclosed shower area that makes the use feel comfortable while washing the body. The shower also has a movable shower screen that actually looks like a curtain, so you can separate shower and toilet area that ensures you have a dry area when you step out of the shower. It also has a modern bench toilet, allowing for a comfortable and spacious space for all household needs. The standing height is large enough, and depending on the height of the cabin, one can move comfortably while brushing teeth and getting dressed. The storage space is more than enough and safe. You get a large bathroom cabinet where you can store all your things. To prevent products from falling off, each shelf has rails that hold items in place to prevent them from shifting along the way. A cool glass sink is an elegant addition to the home's bathroom look. Made from premium material developed from pressed glass powder, this sink not only looks exemplary, but is also very sturdy and easy to maintain. This is one that is as beautiful to look at as it is useful. You'll find useful shelves where you can store shampoo, shower gel, and other essentials you need in the shower. Of course, a bathroom is nice, but what about campers that would like to make their own food? They'll definitely need a kitchen, and Hymer ML-T 580 got them covered. Immediately you enter the kitchen, the first thing you'll see is the eye-catching handy extendable work surface with a swift, easy movement. You can enlarge the countertop to create extra room for meal preparation. This makes cooking easy, especially when it'll be a large one. Another thing that anyone would love is how spacious the kitchen really is. Here, you can customize the drawers and overhead lockers to store different utensils and cooking items, which will definitely create a home kitchen setting and add convenience during cooking tasks. Also, there's the cooktop. The standard equipment of the kitchen is the Hymer ML-T 580, which consists of a 2-burner gas cooktop, which will be enough for cooking during the trip. Safety features like automatic ignition and flame failure protection give the customer an added sense of security while cooking. Adjacent to the cooktop is the stainless steel sink with a faucet. Above them, there are cabinets for storing other kitchen utensils and accessories, cookware, etc. Everything is designed to be easily accessible during meal preparation when on the road. Don't let us forget about the 37-gallon fridge freezer in the Hymer ML-T 580. This is great for keeping your food and beverages fresh while you're on the move. It also allows you to pack supplies for extended journeys without having to make frequent grocery stops. The kitchen setup definitely ensures that you have all the essentials for an enjoyable cooking experience during your travels. Now, let's take a look at the bedroom of the Hymer ML-T 580, your personal oasis of relaxation. The first thing you'll notice are the incredibly comfortable single beds. Above the beds, straight overhead locker doors are designed to give you maximum headroom and freedom of movement, so you'll never feel cramped. What if you need more sleeping space? Well, that's not a problem either. The twin beds can easily be transformed into an extra large sleeping surface using the optional spare cushion and ladder. These rear beds come standard with multi-zone cold foam mattresses and high-quality toppers, ensuring you'll get a restful and comfortable sleep. Storage is also not an issue in the Hymer bedroom. You'll find a wardrobe conveniently located under the beds, as well as a full-length, floor-to-ceiling wardrobe for whatever clothing is with you. Plus, the overhead lockers and various storage compartments provide even more room to keep more luggage. Above the rear beds, there is a clear glass roof vent which lets in plenty of natural light and fresh air, keeping the space bright and airy. And for colder nights, the rear sleeping area has a separately controlled hot air heating system, so you can stay warm and cozy while resting in total comfort. Also, if you're going to get the Hymer Campervan, It is very important for you to note that you can configure your Hymer into various configuration settings they've got. For better understanding of the configuration process, you can visit the Hymer website. The website is easy to go through. Here you will see clarity in products that they have for configuration, well-structured systems on the type of configuration, and customization options for your configuration. And there are loads of technical details that have to be explained to the simplest form on the website that will give you proper information while choosing. If you prefer a smaller motorhome that offers the same luxury as this one, then click on this video for the futuristic Hymer Venture S. And we look forward to seeing you at a new luxury motorhome.